Hi everyone! Welcome to my day 2 vlog. So, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay yung effect ng sobrang paggamit ng technology, especially among student and young people. Technology give us many benefits. Mas mabilis yung communication, easier access to information, and mas convenient ang pag-aaral dahil sa internet and digital platforms. Technology give us many benefit. Yun nga, tulad nga ng sabi ko, mas mabilis yung communication. But even if technology is very useful, too much use of it can also affect our daily lives in negative ways. One of the common effect is pagkawala ng focus. Dahil sa notification, sa social media, online games, and videos, maraming student ang madaling ma-distract instead na ma-focus sa schoolworks or important tasks. Kunwari, ayun nga, sa Facebook, may narinig kang notification. 'Pag tumunog yon, may nag-chat sa'yo, mawawala ka na agad sa focus nun. Makakalimutan mo na yung ginagawa mong assignment hanggang sa di mo na siya magawa. Napupunta yung attention mo sa phone imbes na sa assignment mo. Another effect is procrastination. Minsan sasabihin natin sandali lang pero hindi natin namamalayan sobrang tagal na pala natin online. Parang nakaka-relate ako dito kasi minsan ginagawa ko din 'to, sinasabi ko 1 minute lang. Di ko namamalayan ano na pala, minsan 30 minutes na pala ako nag-i-scroll, hindi ko na nagawa yung assignment ko. Because of this, maraming task yung natatambak or ginagawa at the last minute. Technology can also affect physical health. Maraming taong napupuyat dahil sa paggamit ng gadgets late at night, kulang sa tulog. Parang ako ngayon, wala akong tulog. Headache and lack of exercise are some of the common effects of too much screen time. Mental health can also be affected. Social media sometimes create pressure because people compare themselves to others online. Kunwari, may nakita kang malaki katawan sa Facebook. Tapos, ikaw, bonjing ka. Siyempre, maapektuhan ka nun. Mai-stress ka, mai-insecure ka. Kasi puro ka tutok sa online hindi ka nag-exercise. Because, kaya yon kung ano yung nakikita nila sa internet, yun yung dahilan kung ba't naapektuhan yung mental health nila. So, as a student, I also experience some of this effect. There are moments when I spend too much scrolling or gaming instead of focusing on what I actually need on what I actually need to do. Parang kanina nagva-Valorant ako, di ko namamalayan 2 hours na pala ako nagva-Valorant. Sa una, parang maliit lang siya na bagay pero over time naapektuhan talaga yung productivity and discipline natin. And another side effect is that people spend less time interacting in real life. Kahit magkakasama, minsan lahat nakatingin lang sa phone. Ah, Parang kunwari nag-meet up kayo mga tropa mo. May inuman session kayo, tas pagtingin mo lahat nakatingin sa phone. Parang kahit magkakasama kayo, parang magkakalayo pa rin kayo eh. Yun nga, technology help us connect online, but sometimes it also disconnect us from real life relationship. That is why balance is very important. We should learn when to use technology and when to take breaks from it. My advocacy promote responsibly and balanced use of technology because I believe technology should improve our lives, not negatively affect our health, focus, and relationships. In the end, technology is powerful, but we should not let it control our habits and daily lives. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. See you on day 3. Bye-bye.